Our late news regular Chief Investment Officer at Motley, Scott Phillips, joins us now to break down today's market movements. Scott, good evening. It's been a decent start to the trading week despite some morning lows.
Tomo, good evening. Yeah, a pretty good result, all things considered. Yesterday evening about this time, the future were predicting a loss of about 1%. That was trimmed to about 0.7% this morning, and the finish in the green was a pretty good result. Overall, a bit of optimism leaking back into the market, which is probably well overdue.
Some good gains for AGL after their surprise takeover bid.
Remarkable numbers, up 11% and well and truly above the price that was bid, of course, by the Mike Cannon-Brookes and Brookfield consortium. It puts a bit of pressure not only on the potential bidders, but also on the company's board itself. Once you get this sort of premium, that means shareholders are expecting a deal to be done, either with the current mob or somebody else. And so the board's got a pretty nice dance to try and get away with here. They've got to try and find a deal to justify the price, but also make sure they get the best deal possible. If nothing comes of it, we might yet see the share price fall back below where it was only on Friday.
Scott, how are travel stocks faring after our reopening today?
Not a bad result for travel. It's hard in a tough market, Tomo. We knew the announcement had already been made, of course, and in a flat-ish market, pretty flat market today, they were okay. Nothing to write home about across the board, but some positivity. Hello World Travel releasing its results, and they were pretty good too. A loss of only $14 million. No one likes making a loss, but everyone's looking forward to a much better travel season.
Yes, hopefully the roller coaster ride is over. Before you go, Scott, how's Wall Street shaping up?
Yeah, speaking of roller coaster ride, good news if you're looking at the S&P 500, which is the index we tend to look at. The future predicting a gain of just over 0.1%. Unfortunately for tech stocks, the Nasdaq futures looking like another fall.
Scott Phillips, thank you.
Thanks, Homer.